Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So basically, I'm going to show you right now how to fix a problem that you may run into that your ROG Ally is not showing a display. So if I go to displays right now, let's zoom this in real quick for you guys. And you notice that it's blacked out. You have 3 ways of actually fixing this way. I'm going to show you all 3 ways to actually fix it. One of them, you just need to go to a website and download the control panel. But most likely, if you run into this problem, you do not need to go to the ROG.aces.com website to download the file. Only thing you need to do is just basically go here, which I'm going to show you right now. You just go to My Aces. You're going to open this up. You want to go to can't really see it from where I'm at. I think it was latest. Yeah, latest. Just couldn't see where I was at. Uncheck this. Do you want to go all the way down to it shows graphics? Then right here, you just want to download the AMD right there. Let's try to zoom this in a little bit closer. I don't know if I can, but you just want to download the AMD control panel. You just go to the right, re-download it, reinstall it, and it'll fix the problem like that. Now you don't have to do it this way. It's a simple fix. Only thing you got to do is go towards your start button right here, right click, and what you want to do is go towards device manager. Let's just open this all the way up so you actually see. I gotta zoom in because the thing's like far away. You want to scroll down to where it says AMD Radeon graphics. Like I said, it's real small from where I'm at. You just want to hit update. Scan. If it says that, just close it. What you want to do is to click that, hit disable, click yes. Now go back, hit enable, and there you go. Now my monitor just popped right back on. Now you can see that popped up. So now if I click on display, I'm gonna bring it back down. Now you see my display actually popped up. And now I can actually change it like that. That's the fastest fix you can do it. If this does not work for you, always do a hard reset. Meaning after you disable it and re-able it. If it doesn't pop on right away, if you can't change the settings, always just restart it by going to start, then hit on this, then hit restart right here and restart it. If that doesn't work for you, like I said, just go into My Aces, which is right here. As you can see, it's bigger now. It's because my monitor popped up, and I just wanted to show you guys that how the problem actually is. As you can see, everything is bigger now, and my mouse just died. Just click on that, uncheck it, scroll down to where it says graphics, and just reinstall that right there, download it. So I'll tell you guys, always keep this as a backup. Just keep it on file, keep it on the thumb drive. I mean, you always have access to AMD control panel. You can always re-download all the stuff right here if you ever have problems. So I just wanted to give you guys an update video showing you guys what y'all need to do if you run into a problem like that. As you can see, my monitor popped back on. You just seen it got real bright in here. That's because I did what I just did. So I hope this helped you guys. So if y'all run into problems that you can't change your display, it's just a simple fix. It's just click and press, uninstall, and install back like that. I just showed you 3 ways how to do it if you ever run into problems. Like I said, just go to My Aces, and install the AMD control panel. That's it. You can go to the website and download it, but it's going to give you a different version of it. I was going to try to install it. Yeah, but I'm going to catch you guys later, guys. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. 1. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.